Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a grape smoothie. Start by washing and destemming seedless grapes, then measure 2 cups for the blender. Add 1 banana, 1 cup yogurt, and a splash of almond milk for creaminess. Blend until smooth and check texture. Add ice or milk to reach your preferred thickness. Taste and sweeten with honey if desired, then serve immediately in chilled glasses for best flavor. Gather simple ingredients: 2 cups of grapes, 1 banana, 1 cup of yogurt, and a splash of milk. If you like a colder drink, use frozen grapes or add a handful of ice. For a dairy-free option, swap yogurt for a plant-based alternative and use almond milk. Measure and prepare ingredients before blending to streamline the process and avoid overmixing, so your smoothie stays. Start by pulsing the grapes with a little milk to break them down, then blend at medium speed until creamy. If the mixture sticks or seems too thick, add a tablespoon of milk at a time until it moves freely. For a frothier top, blend on high for a few seconds. Always taste and adjust sweetness or acidity with a squeeze of lemon, then pour into glasses and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.